welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another week. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible, as consistent as I can be. I've promised myself we're going to do better. My birthday month just passed, so I'm a year older and I want to do better. Before I continue, just thank you so much for 100,000. I'm speaking it into the universe. Anyway, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you. Let's keep growing. Tell your friends, tell your family. Let's keep growing. Sawa. As you can see today, nimeanza na matuta. They're actually still dripping wet, but I wanted to do something that I've not done in a long time. If you are not new here, again, thank you. But if you're new, please subscribe. If you're not new here, you know from when I started my channel, I used to do extensions all the time. So that's what I'm going back to right now. I'm really excited about it. I don't know how to. I haven't done an extension in so long, and I'm excited for it. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, I'm going to just let me get off camera and lay my hair. I just want a slick back, nothing extra, just slick back pony. Maybe later on we'll do something extra, but not today. We're doing something very, very simple. Sasa, okay, let me go and then we can come back and continue the video. Okay loves, so I did my makeup. I think I look nice, don't I? So I slicked my hair. As you can see, I used this. Anyway, I don't know if it has focused, but you can go to my Instagram and I have the full video on how I slick down this hair. I said earlier that I just want something sleek and straight, nothing extra, no styles yet, but we're going to try that next time. So the hair that I'm going to be using it's this ponytail from Hair Nation. I'm going to link them in the description box, tag them here. They're called Hair Nation, and this pony, this specific one, goes for 1,500, which I think is super affordable for how voluminous it is. I mean, look at that, and it's really long actually. So we're gonna put it on together. It has a hook right there, so let's do this. Hook it up, make sure your bun is inside it, and then tie. It has two like string like stuff, bladder. Just literally pull, tie, girl, and you're good to go. Change kwa kio kwanza. So I know some people, look, it's actually very long. I know some people don't like when this shows, so you can literally just pick a bit of hair, just kidogo tu, si mingi, just a piece, and sort of wrap it around your pony. I should have been in a t-shirt. Now, doing this without a mirror is not the best choice. And then just pin it. It actually looks nice. So that's basically it. That's the pony, guys. So like I said, I got this hair from Hair Nation. They're a new page, so take advantage before they start selling their products super expensive. But they're a new page. This hair goes for 1,500. bob, which I think is super affordable. I'm going to show you another ponytail in another video, not this one, but this one is the straight one. You can always just tell them or just screenshot this and send it to their WhatsApp, and they will tell you. This was 1500 bob, which I think, again, like I've said so many times, I think it's super affordable. I'm not saying 2000, 2500. It's not human, but if you're looking for a quick fix, something that, and if you take care of it, you can last with it for a very long time. So if you're looking for a quick fix, something that can just help you anytime you want to, and you're not looking to break your bank, I think this is it. I mean, sina kamresh ama mnaonaje? Poleni, niko hivi. This is who I am. I have to gas myself up. Anyway, today I just give you a few minutes to just look at this gorgeousness. I mean, come on. You can't tell me you don't see it. Look at the length also, and it's actually voluminous. Like, it's not those light ones where you look like you have one strand of hair. Anyway, loves, that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to again tag them here again. They're called Hair Nation. They're an online shop, but like as you can see, I got mine delivered, so you'll be sorted out fully. What else? It was 1500 bob. If you missed that, I will show other ponytails that I got from them, but not in this video, in another video. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. This one is 1500, which I think is super affordable. You look nice on a budget. Don't break your bank. Sawa. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, loves. I appreciate you. Again, thank you so much for 1000 subscribers. If you have not liked this video, please like, please share, please comment down below if you like it, if you think this is something that you would get for yourself. Give me suggestions. I'm looking for suggestions for videos because I am trying to be consistent here, so please help me out. I will really appreciate it. But for now, I'm going to love you and leave you.